What's going on Facebook? Edwin Liddy here with JP and Associate Realtors. How you doing today? Just wanted to do a quick video. I was talking to one of my builder colleagues out here in Grand Prairie over at First Texas, and he told me about this gem behind me. It's a one-story house. It's not available yet. Be ready in about 2 weeks, but if you're in the market, we can put an offer in, get you under contract. I wanted to show it to you because normally I show a lot of 2 stories, but 1 story seems to be what a lot of people are asking for. So let me turn the camera around here. Check it out. Beautiful home. Beautiful homes. The Westchester II. It's a 1-story plan. It's over 2,800 square feet. And this house is loaded with some pretty cool stuff. And it's actually located in the La Jolla community in Grand Prairie. It's a brand new community. All of these homes is less than a year old for the most part. They're still building this community up. Good time to get in. This is still phase 1 of 2, but phase 2 will be starting in a few more weeks. But let me show you this home right here because they've been selling like pancakes at IHOP on sale, simply because it's a great house for the price, and they seem to be appraising pretty quick. So as you walk through the front door, look at the size of this door. It's an iron door, first off. I mean, this thing is huge. I don't think you could pry it open with a crowbar. It's actually like heavy. You get your finger stuck in this, you're gonna have a problem. My goodness. But as you walk in, you have your formal dining to the left. Nice high arch ceilings, cathedral style, nice pendant hanging from the ceiling. Huge windows, plenty of natural light coming in. You can fit a large table here, seating for 8, if not more. To your right, it's open. You can actually make this an office, or you can have this as a second living room, maybe a formal living room with a sitting area for guests. You can sit and talk, or you can make this almost like a little entertainment center where you can put a TV on the wall and have guests sit there. But remember, it's a 1-story. You have wood floor throughout, which is gorgeous. Hopefully you can see. And as you walk in, look at how it opens up into the living room. It's a beautiful floor plan. It's a beautiful floor plan. I know I'm talking to a lot of people now who want a 1-story because they can't really deal with the steps going up and down the stairs. This floor plan right here is amazing. Look at this kitchen. Plenty of countertop space, plenty of cabinets, and it has an island. This is gorgeous. I mean, literally the only thing you would need to add is a refrigerator. I mean, but it comes with the gas cooktop, all right? Comes with double ovens, Frigid Air Professional, so they upgraded the appliances in this package. It's going to come with a microwave. That's what that slot is for. You have an extended countertop area over here for beverages, coffee, bar, whatever you're into. And then right behind it, you have a pantry, deep walk-in pantry. So it's a little rough because remember I said the home will finish in about 2 weeks. It's about 95% done. You can see there's some patchwork that still needs to be done as far as paint. But the bare bones of the house is complete, so you can see what it's going to look like when it's finished. This is a great floor plan. Almost 3,000 square feet on 1 story. Let me take you into the master. The master is in the back of the house to the right. And I want you to see how big this master is. Wow. I love it. I love it. I love it because that extra space back there, like, I don't know if you went to like any high-end hotels. What they normally do is they put seating here. So you would have your master, your king-size bed maybe over here, and then over in this corner, they would have plenty of seating. You can sit and talk, have conversations. But, you know, it's your preference. That's what I would do. You may do something different. But the size of this master bedroom is amazing, and it has high ceilings. This thing is gorgeous. The 1 stories are very favorable right now. It's really people love the one stories. Here's something else about this home I think you would like. There are 2 closets. So you got one here, as this light comes on, you got one walk-in closet here, high ceiling, so you can actually go up if you want to put more space for clothes, right? So this would probably be for the man. And then you got one to the right. This one would probably be for the female, the wife. There's just plenty of space here. Hope I'm getting all of this on the video correctly. But the point is, 2 separate closets. There is a solid wall, as you can see, that separates both. And one is bigger than the other. So it's something to consider. And we go into the master bathroom here. I told you they're still working, so they're still running pipes. This is they're not finished with the hot tub, with the jacuzzi. But yeah, this is nice. This is called the Windcrest II. You know, First Texas, they're known for their bigger homes for the most part. You have a closet, you have a shower here, walk-in shower, his and her sinks. But they're 1 stories. Man, there's something to be desired. I really like it. So now you're saying, what about the other bedrooms? Because yeah, look, this is a 4-bedroom house, all right? This house has 4 bedrooms. So that was the master. And now we're going to the back of the house, which is down this hallway. And you have 3 other bedrooms down this hallway. So you have a bedroom here, high ceilings, pretty big bedroom. You have another bedroom here, so this will be 3. And I hope you're getting this. My phone is saying I have low network connection, so hopefully you're still getting the video feed. And you have another bedroom here. So all in all, 4-bedroom house, 2-car garage, 2.5 bathrooms. This is probably a linen closet. You also have plenty of space here for a washer, dryer. And you know, I was talking to my wife the other day and she said something that made me think, because we were looking at some appliances. You see how tall this is off the floor? See where my hand is? There's enough space here for you to get, because now they sell the appliances on those stands, right? Where you have a washer, dryer, and it's on like a storage stand. Plenty of space for you to fit the washer and dryer in, and it'll slide underneath, so you have plenty of space to work. You know, I know the laundry room is a big deal for a lot of my clients now. They say, this laundry room has to be a certain size. Well, this laundry room will fit those Kenmore Elites, the 5.2 cubic inch and the 9 cubic inch dryers. This will fit the real big ones. Plenty of space. And then through that door, you have a 2-car garage. So I guess the $1 million question is, okay, I seen the house, how much is it? I'm gonna get to it in a second, right after you see this bathroom here. Okay, this is a full bathroom. You have this full bathroom, and then you have, for your guests, they would be using this half bath right here. Let me turn this light on. Nice half bath right here. Hardwood flooring throughout, beautiful thing. And then the master has a bath. So 4 bedrooms. Let me turn this on. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2,800 plus square feet. 2,800 plus square feet. Brand new First Texas home. Oh, and did I mention, let me turn the camera around, that there's not going to be any neighbors. It's a green belt, so it's preserved spacing. If I can open the back door, that would be fantastic. There we go. Covered patio with fan. Extended cement, so if you wanted to put an extended patio over there, you can. It's a really nice backyard. Remember, the community has ponds. There's also a community pool, so you don't have to worry about putting a pool in your backyard. But if you wanted to, you probably could. And there's nobody behind you. Look at that. That is nice. All right, so the $1 million question, how much? Because I know you showed me the house, so it looks great. You see the hardwood floors, see the cabinets. Right now, it's listed at $388, which is a real good price. Let me tell you why. This is a brand new community. In the community across the street, First Texas is building. They've already built. There's probably 1 home left over there. You can't get into that community for under $450,000. In this community, they have homes going all the way up to 460, 470,000. This one story is sitting here at 388, which isn't bad because when they started building this house, I remember showing it. It didn't have all of the walls in. It was kind of bare bones, and it was listed at somewhere around 375. So in the matter of 2 months, it has gone up a little over $10,000 in equity. And it's going to continue to rise because this home is in phase 1 of 3 phases. So they're getting ready to break ground on phase 2, which is a couple of blocks over from here. So as you get in, you lock in your price, and over time, you're going to gain equity. But not only that, because this is a one-story home with almost 3,000 square feet, it's going to be something that is desirable for a lot of people, especially older folks, people with not a lot of kids, and a lot of people want a one-story, and it's hard to find a one-story with almost 3,000 square foot in great condition. This is a brand new home. So anyway, just wanted to share. I'm going to do a new series soon where all I do is showcase certain homes in certain communities to give you guys a feel for what's out there, what the market's looking like, how much it's going to cost. And I figured let me start with this. This is kind of a rough run through, but this house is for sale, and I am available to help if you're in the market, if you're thinking about buying or selling a home. Give me a call. I'll tell you what I think. I'll give you some numbers, give you some free advice. Look, buying a home, it's not going to cost you anything to have a realtor. But not having a realtor when you're buying a home could cost you a whole lot if it's not done right, if you sign the wrong contracts, if you don't understand the amendments, the addendums, if you don't understand how it works. Because remember, even with these new bills with the builders, even with pre-existing homes, all of those contracts are in favor of the person selling. This house is not excluded. I'm showing it to you because it's available. I like to sell it to you or somebody you know. But keep in mind, when you go to the builders, those contracts are written to protect them. So you need somebody on your side to protect you. That being said, my name is Edwin Liddy. I'm with JP and Associate Realtors. I am with the Liddy Real Estate Group. We are here to help, protect, and serve, and provide you with extraordinary service. All right? Give me a call. So make sure I take care of you. That's what we do for all of our clients. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.